Welcome to this healing body scan meditation. This practice will help you reconnect with your body, calm your mind, and activate your natural healing processes. Find a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting, and gently close your eyes. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose, holding for a moment and slowly exhaling through your mouth. Allow your breath to settle into a natural rhythm, soft and easy. Start by bringing your awareness to the sensations of your body touching the surface beneath you. Feel the weight of your body being supported by the earth. As you breathe in, imagine drawing in a sense of grounding and stability from the earth. As you exhale, release any tension or stress you're holding on to. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Visualize a soft, warm light gently entering through the crown of your head, filling your skull. Notice any areas of tension in your forehead, scalp, or behind your eyes. With each breath, allow this light to soften those areas, releasing tightness. Feel your jaw unclench, your facial muscles relax, and your mind becoming more spacious. Move your attention to your neck and shoulders, often the storehouse of stress and tension. Imagine this healing light flowing down from your head into your neck and shoulders. With each exhalation, let go of any burden or pressure you feel. Visualize your shoulders melting, your neck lengthening, and your upper back softening. Breathe into any tight spots, allowing the light to soothe and release them. Now bring your focus to your arms, moving slowly down from your shoulders to your fingertips. As the warm light moves through your arms, feel them growing heavier and more relaxed. Notice any tension in your biceps, forearms, or hands. With each breath, let go of any strain and allow your arms to rest fully, feeling light and at ease. Shift your awareness to your chest, the home of your heart and lungs. Breathe deeply into your chest, expanding the ribs and feeling the breath nourishing your heart center. Imagine the healing light surrounding your heart with warmth and compassion. With each exhale, release any emotional tension or worry you've been holding in your chest. Let your breath and the light create a sense of peace and openness around your heart. Next, move your awareness to your abdomen. This is where we often store stress, anxiety, and emotional tension. As you breathe, visualize the warm light filling your stomach and lower belly. Notice how the light calms and soothes any tightness or discomfort. With each exhale, let go of any stored stress or worry in this area. Feel your abdomen softening and your breathing becoming even more relaxed. Now direct your attention to your lower back and pelvis. Imagine the light gently traveling down your spine, loosening any stiffness in your lower back. With each breath, release any tension in your hips and pelvis, areas where emotions often reside. Allow the warmth to soften your lower body, creating space for healing and balance. Bring your awareness to your legs, starting at your thighs and moving down to your feet. Feel the healing light flowing down through your legs, relaxing each muscle group as it moves. Notice any heaviness or tightness in your thighs, knees, calves, or feet. With each exhale, release any tension. Imagine the light reaching all the way to your toes, grounding you and creating a sense of stability and relaxation in your lower body. Now, visualize the warm light enveloping your entire body from head to toe. Feel this light connecting every part of your body, creating a sense of wholeness and unity. As you breathe in, imagine this light energizing and healing every cell in your body. As you breathe out, release any residual tension, worry, or discomfort. Your entire body is relaxed, your mind is calm, and you are at peace. Take a few deep breaths, bringing your awareness back to the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, slowly bringing movement back to your body. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of relaxation and healing with you as you return to your day. This guided body scan meditation is designed to help you tune into the innate healing power of your body and mind. Practice this for 21 days to cultivate deeper relaxation, reduce stress, and enhance your overall well-being. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your holistic fitness journey, but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Join our community, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.